Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to use the summarize tool in Alteryx. The summarize tool is generally used to aggregate your data uh, at different levels. Suppose there are different stores, and in each store there are different categories present, and for each category there is a sales amount. Now you want to aggregate the sales data at a store level instead of store category level. So in order to do that, you will use summarize function. Summarize tool again consists of multiple options like count, maximum, minimum, average, sum, and so on. Let me just quickly show you the dataset which I am using. I am using a sales data which consists of dates, sales rep stands for sales executive, customer name, product code which customer bought, and the sales amount. Right. So in order to use the summarize function, go to transform tab, drag and drop the summarize tool onto your canvas. It will open a pop-up window where it will ask you to choose the field which you want to summarize. So right now I want to summarize sales. Click on sales. This will show you an arrow. Go to this action drop down, add, choose the aggregation which you want to do. Right now I want to do the sum of sales. Choose sum. It will give you an entry in this box, right? So now you can here also change the name of the output column. Let it be aggregated sales by sales rep. Okay. Now if you want to add different levels, right? Now, so in order to add different level, right now I want to group this data or aggregate this data for each sales rep, right? Click on sales rep in the above box, right? It will show you an arrow. Again, repeat the same step. Come to action, click on drop down, select group by. Group by is basically used to find out the ID at which you want to aggregate your sales data. Sales rep, group by sales rep, and this is done. Once you click run, it will run the workflow, and then it will show you the output. So for example, it is showing that Chin has made a sales of 1,01,600 in year 2018, right? Similarly, Jerry has made a sales of 1,26,800 for the 2018 year. So you can also change the the position of these two variables by just clicking this arrow key, right? So and then again hit enter. This will bring the sales rep column in the beginning and the amount in the end. As you can see here, the sales rep column or sales executive column is at the beginning, first column, and aggregated sales by sales rep is the second column. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please do subscribe to our channel.